Now that we've seen how to use autofill and how to create a sum and use AutoSum, we're going to see how to fix part of a formula and why you might want to do that. So here I've got a shopping list. I'm going shopping for shoes, a hat, coat, handbag, lipstick, girly stuff. And I want to work out what the VAT is on each item and then total the VAT I'm going to be spending. And I then want to get the total cost of each item, so the cost plus the VAT. I've got the VAT sitting up here in this cell, 0.2, which is 20%, and now I'm going to work it out. So like we saw earlier, I'll start with an equal sign, I'll click on the first cell, add my multiplication symbol, and click on the cell I want to multiply by. Press enter. Perfect, it works. But I don't really want to do that in every row, so I'll use autofill to copy that down. And of course, it doesn't work. Why doesn't it work? Well, if I click on this cell here, the second one, I can see in the formula bar that it's looking for this whatever is in B6, which is correct. If I double click, you'll see that it's looking at B6 and J2. Well, J2's got nothing in it. If I go to this one and double click, it's going to be 7, correct, and J3, incorrect. So how do I fix it? Fix being the operative word. Well, I'm going to do this one all over again. And this time, instead of just pressing enter, I'm going to use the F4 key on my keyboard. Not the F5 key, but the F4 key. You'll see it places dollar signs around J and 1, and $J, $1 means fix column J and fix row 1. I'll press the enter key and then perform that autofill again, and you'll see that this time it works them out. So if I double click on this one, you can see that it's referring to J1. Each of them are referring to J1, which is exactly what I want it to do. I can now total the VAT like so, and it will add them all up. I can use AutoSum to total these two. I can use autofill to copy that down because I'm not going outside of the rows. And then I can use AutoSum to add up that column too. So all in all, it makes filling that spreadsheet in much, much faster. That's absolute cell referencing, and it's one of the cornerstones of Excel.